2, 3. Blammo! Facial. Hey, look, they can actually come out this time. 2, 3. A little further, a little further, a little further. There we go. Stick this pin in and let it relax. Here we go. Take this thing apart. So if I make them 15 inches. That'll do. That. Rather easily. .30½, 45 3/4. doing it the easy way. Love a good decorative knot. Now, down through you. Okay. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. I need to shoot for this one. Put your feet underneath JJ's. And then I'll sit here. Okay, guys, ready? Let's push forward. Ready? 1, 2, 3, push. Yeah. Oh, that was fast. Hold on, don't fall off. Okay, going down the hill. So there you have it, a toboggan or a sled. And this is something I've been wanting to make for years and years. And I've got a bunch of ideas. I was trying to find a way of bending it without a steam box. So we were doing the submersion method. And there's just a few things I've been working through and prototyping on this. So this is very much a prototype, and I'll probably be making one a little bit different in the future with thinner slats. If you'd like to see the how-to and exactly what I'm thinking and why I'm thinking it, what were all the steps involved with this, I have a whole second channel, Wood by Wright How To. I'll leave a link to that down below where you can actually see this whole thing in detail there where I talk through the build itself. So if you do have any ideas or things that I probably should do better, let me know those down in the comments below. I'd love to read those. And I think that'll about do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. The reason the rope is on the front is because this is a toboggan. If it were on the back, it would be called a push-boggan.